At Gates Chili, we're proud to be future ready by investing in our facilities to ensure safe, innovative, and efficient spaces for students and staff. Future Ready, our proposed capital project, is focused on preserving our resources and maintaining our schools. It's about addressing the critical needs of our aging facilities while sustaining spaces that inspire learning and growth. But just like our current project, this estimated $88 million project will have no additional tax impact on our school community. The proposed work falls into 4 categories. The largest category of work is addressing failing infrastructure needs. This includes replacing roofs, plumbing, and electrical systems identified in the Building Conditions Survey. Renovations. These are updates to indoor spaces like classrooms, offices, and cafeterias to enhance safety, accessibility, and functionality. Replacements. Work in this category is focused outdoors on things like parking lots, sidewalks, and playgrounds. And finally, new work. This includes expanding spaces to meet program needs or adding new features to our schools. When you come out to vote on February 5th, you'll be voting on work at every building, meaning every student will benefit. At Gates Chili High School, proposed work includes boiler work, replacements to rooftop HVAC units, and select roofing replacement, as well as paving on Spartan Way and in several large parking lots. Spartans attending athletic events at Spartan Stadium will see the addition of stadium bleachers as well as stadium fencing. Similarly, at Gates Chili Middle School, proposed work largely falls into the failing infrastructure and renovation categories and includes replacement of rooftop and air handling HVAC units, as well as new unit ventilators in classrooms where needed. Meanwhile, at our 4 elementary schools, we're addressing critical needs like plumbing, roofing, and ensuring spaces are efficient and welcoming for our youngest learners. Across the district, this project will ensure our facilities are future ready for many years to come, and it all comes at no additional tax impact to our local taxpayers. We invite all eligible community members to take part in the vote on Wednesday, February 5th at the Spartan Fieldhouse at Gates Chili High School from 6:30 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. Thank you for your continued support of our students, schools, and programs. Together, we can ensure our district is truly future ready. Go Spartans!